So what makes gin gin? We have a really wide range of creativity that is allowed to distillers. Any base spirit can be used. The main characteristics must simply be derived from juniper. That said, not all juniper is the same. Juniper plants are widely planted throughout the world, and they taste different depending on where they're coming from. So like juniper terroir is a real thing. It's really quite fascinating how this all works. Other aromatics are distillers' choices. It has to be based on gin, but then they can kind of do whatever they want. Common ones that we see are going to be citrus peel, lemon, orange, grapefruit, lime, bergamot, etc. Coriander seeds. And this is the seed of cilantro. A lot of us use coriander seeds in cooking. You'll know that the seed doesn't have that same sharp, citrusy green characteristic that the leaves do. Coriander seed is included in some of the most popular gins. We'll see it in Tanqueray, Gordon's, Bombay, Sapphire, etc. One you may be less familiar with is Angelica root. This is a really super herbally characteristic, or it imparts a super herbally characteristic to the spirit. Historically, Angelica root was used as a flavoring in spirits like chartreuse and Benedictine, if that gives you an idea of what this would be like. It's used in a wide range of gins, from Brokers to Hendrick's. Green Hat, one of my favorite craft distillers out of DC, uses this. So many other things to choose from. We can think about cardamom, licorice, lavender, fennel, nutmeg. The list is seemingly never ending.